Going on, guys? Trey May 10 here, and I'm here with my Zox Black Friday haul. We'll start with what I'm wearing, this hoodie. This was one of 4 of the new designs that they released, with each of them had a different bird that had a different phone, and it was kind of like the 4 calling birds for like a Christmas theme. You know, from the song A Partridge in a Pear Tree, on the first day of Christmas, second, you know, so on. But yeah, it's the new ultra soft fabric, still the V2 design, and when they say ultra soft, they mean ultra soft. It's super soft, and it came with this special edition string that has the phone that the Puffin's holding. So I call this my new phone Hoodie sweatshirt. And then I also ordered another string that is Po Buddy's Nerfect. So if you swap the first 2 letters, it's Nobody's Perfect, but it's got like a nice subtle wavy kind of pattern, and it came with gold aglets is what they used to call them, but now I think they're calling them tips. So gold tips. The string is number 5. I didn't check what number this string was before I put it in, so I don't know which hoodie I got, but that's fine. And then for Black Friday, if your order was more than $50, then you got a free Friends and Family single. So I also have that, and it says Friends and Family, and the quote is, "Welcome to our family." I really like the super shiny gold foil on the front. We got number 404, which I think is pretty cool. It's like the error code. They called this the F&F Luna. F&F for Friends and Family, and then Luna is what they're calling that spacey pattern. So yeah, that's pretty cool. The other thing I got for on Black Friday that I wanted to show you guys was my binder. So I got the Season 2 binder, and so it's got Raw from the Lost in Sands, and then also Esset or Isis from the Lost in Sands. And then it says Season 2 and has a little Zox. And then it came with 10 of these sheets to hold all my straps. And so I filled it up with a couple straps. I won't go too in depth. Leave a comment if you want me to show you guys more, or a better view of all these in here. But this is from Season 1, the Primates that we got, and then also from Season 1, the Namaste, and then from Season 2 we've got the Feudal Japan, and then I left a blank one for the Lost in Sands from Season 2 that I'm going to try and collect. These are just some other straps that I really like that I put in here. I'm not done adding in here, but then we have our moonstones. I got a page for the moonstones, and then the last 2 pages I'm saving for all of the zodiac straps that they're going to start releasing. They started with this month's, or this cycle's, I guess, and so Sagittarius is out. But yeah, binder's pretty awesome. And then I had also got 2 mystery packs, so we're gonna open those. Video's getting kind of long. I also have with me last month's, the month of December, no, the month of November's mystery pack that I tried to shoot a video with, but I ended up not really liking it, so I didn't upload it. So I'll show you guys what I got from that one real quick. We got one of the I am blanks, and the quote is, "Awesome in every way." And the has like a nice galaxy pattern. And the idea behind this strap was that you could take like a Sharpie and fill in the blank and, you know, have it say like, "I am awesome," like the back of the card says, or you could write in "beautiful" or whatever little message you want to remind yourself every day. That was number 6,955. And then the second one we got from that was Let Freedom Ring, which is a strap that I own. We got 1914. The back says, "From sea to shining sea." And on here we've got this pretty cool gold, almost kind of like a mandala thing going on with streaks of light, and then our bald eagle, who's also really gold. And then the inside has some more of that. And then Let Freedom Ring. And then the last strap that I got from this mystery pack was one that I think I'd seen a picture, but it hadn't been released yet, and that is Pug Life. On the back it says, "I didn't choose the pug life chose me." And so on the strap we've got a bunch of different pugs. There we've got our detective, maybe, or like, you know, he's got his pipe and his monocle. And we got our pirate pug. And then we've got like a birthday pug. And a chef pug. And then like a punk rock pug. And then on the inside there's a snorkel pug. And then it says Pug Life and has a normal pug in the center. And then on the other side there's like a cowboy pug. So that's pretty awesome. I don't have the details on this strap yet, but I know the artist, yeah, Evan P., he did another one similar to this that was 9 lives, and there was like a bunch of different cats, and there was like a special one, like it was like 1 in every 200 or something, or 300 had a wizard kitty. So I don't know if we got a special pug or not. I'll have to see when the strap comes out and they announce it. So that's a pretty cool one. And then we've got our 6 from the Black Friday order that we'll go ahead and open up. And so the first one we got is Ascend, number 2229. The quote is, "It does not matter how strong your gravity is, we were always meant to fly," by Sarah Kay. This is a really cool strap that I already own and have actually given one to a friend, but that's fine. I can give this one to a friend as well. Inside says ascend and has like a hand with a feather. Okay. On to the next one. And we got one of the Season 2 Dare to Dream. It's from the Neverland, I'm guessing. Number 1014. It says, dare to dream of adventures quite grand, then act on your dreams in your own Neverland. That's kind of cool. On here we've got a girl. I'm not sure which character that might be from Peter Pan. It's been so long since I've seen it. And the inside's similar with Dare to Dream. Okay. I like getting Season 2 straps. Next one. And we got I Am Enough, which has like almost like runic looking font. And it says, find happiness in who you are. And we've got a pretty cool pattern on here. This is also a strap that I own, but that's alright. I can possibly give it away or something. Gift it to a friend. I am enough. Number 4, we got Wild Frontier, number 1613. And it says, if you wish to advance into the infinite, explore the finite in all directions. John Wolfgang von Goethe, maybe? And that's one by Jessica Douglas, if you're familiar. I'm pretty sure that's who the Fox logo is. And we got this nice tiger on here. And then the inside. Wild Frontier. I don't think I had bought this one, but I do like it. Seeing it in person, that tiger's pretty awesome. Maybe a little girly. Number 5. And we got Lost in Sands. We got Raw. That's awesome. That's one that I don't have to hunt down. The quote is, he who gave you a body furnished it with weakness, but he who gave you soul armed you with resolution. We got number 483. There's the back. And then on here we can see Raw in like a modern rendition. And then underneath we have one that looks like it's probably a reference from the Great Pyramids. And then on the inside, that's pretty cool. We've got the classic style, and then it says Raw, and then I'm guessing that's also his hieroglyph, and he's got the sun above him. I think I had read that he was associated with the sun. Okay, that's awesome. That's going in the binder. And then our final one, and we can wrap this video up, getting kind of long. If you're still watching, thanks for sticking around. We got another season 2 from the Neverland, or Yellow Brick Road. We got Melt Away, so it's the witch, the Wicked Witch of the West, 9:30. Whether green or chartreuse, keep wicked witches at bay. Rinse off the monsters, let your fears melt away. Nice little rhyme. And then on here we have the witch with one of her little winged monkeys. That's pretty cool. If you guys didn't know, I'm from Kansas, so of course I get asked about the Wizard of Oz a lot when I go out of state. Alright, well, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see more in depth of the binder or whatever, or the hoodie, or whatever you're thinking in the comments below. Thanks for watching.